Prosperation time. I practice laughing and breathing my way to great health. Exactly. You know, there have been studies now that show that laughter not only leads to listening, but laughter leads to healing. People who have had different diseases in their bodies, when they focus on laughing and watching funny things and keeping their vibrations high, they actually saw different diseases releasing from their bodies in a more effective way than with medications. And I'm not claiming anything, but I am claiming that laughter puts you in a higher vibration and can lead to healing. All right, so repeat after me. I practice laughing and breathing my way to great health. That is an excellent positive affirmation. Plus, breathing. Do you know that most people do not breathe properly? In the healing work that I do, sometimes when my client is sitting there with me when we're having one-on-ones, I actually do this breath technique where I help them to breathe, because most people cannot breathe well. We don't breathe, we don't. So practice breathing. Inhale and exhale. Okay? And just practice that every day. Take some deep breaths. Take 13 great, strong, deep breaths. You can even try something different, where on the inhale, you fill your belly and then your torso with the breath. And then on the exhale, you release. Try that. See y'all in the next one.